Your attention span is broken. You can't read one page without checking your phone. You can't watch a movie without scrolling. And it's not your fault. Your brain has been hijacked. Every notification, every short video, every ding is training your brain to crave dopamine hits. Like a slot machine that never stops. The result? You can't focus for more than 21 seconds. But here's the truth. Attention is like a muscle. And the more you train it, the stronger it gets. Delete one app that wastes your time. Read 2 pages every morning before touching your phone. And when your brain screams for distraction, don't give in. That's your attention span fighting back. Do this daily and your brain rewires. You'll actually feel the silence again. You'll finish books, not just headlines. You'll think deeply, not just scroll endlessly. That's how you unfu your attention in 21 seconds, repeated every day. Because the future belongs to the people who can focus. And right now, that's rare.